man, it's cold out here.
Why are you going around?
That's what I need. Watch where you're going. Don't fall down the stairs. That's an invasion of privacy. You're not allowed to take the picture. That's it. Which one? Mom.
Oh my God!
Okay. You just get their feet. That's right. And then when they go away, you can race up and take pictures, more pictures if you want.
This is a picture. This is how we forgot family.
Okay, here, I'll get the door.
On the subway.
Here. Get on.
That's the simplest way, I think.
Okay.
You talk about CN Tower?
Yeah.
Just walk through the skywalk.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great.
I guess I can go back.
That's negative. Today, the day pass is not a family pass. It's just only for a single person. The day pass becomes a family pass only Saturdays, Sundays, and statutory holidays. So you just pay $375 to go and $375 to come. But if you have multiple travel to do, you can buy a day pass for you. You can buy $6, 10 tickets for you.
Okay. So what was it? Is that the cheapest?
No, how, depends how many trips you do.
Are we getting out of the subway at all? Maybe 3 or 4 at most.
I would suggest buy a day pass for yourself and 10 tickets for the young man.
Okay.
That will be $70.
$70?
Yes.
That sounds good. And do you have discounts for special needs?
Not I know. Probably,
That's fine.
if it was,
In a wheelchair.
yeah, just,
That's fine. That's fine.
let me just put it on your card, right?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Insert your card, please.
506 Shepherd, 506 Shepherd. Please call control.
Okay, your day pass is good the whole day until tomorrow 5 a.m. The young man's ticket is just like for every trip, like
So I got to put one in.
one ticket, okay? you know, when you put that, okay. For him, you can have a transfer if you have to continue your trip. You know, you can travel from one end of the city to another end of the city with one ticket, okay?
As long as we don't get out of the facility. As long as we don't get out of the subway.
Right, and there is no stopover.
Okay. Thank you. Come on.
How do I,
Sorry to hold you up.
How do I stop the video? How do I stop the video?
That's for today.
How do I stop the video?
Okay.
How?
How? There. This button.